Good evening, lead forecaster Dean D. Davison for Storm Surge LLC. Live weather blogs. Taking a look here. What's going on across the country? We have some winter weather streaking across here in the northern plains and back into the Rockies. Winter weather storm warnings. We have winter storm watches, and we have a freeze advisory here. Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. Got to watch out for your plants. Put them inside. We're going to have a pretty cool area here in the southeast. Red flag warnings here in New Mexico. We'll get into all that here in a minute. As that moves into the plains, our severe weather threat will go up, and you can see here in the Midwest. Northern parts of Oklahoma, southern parts of Kansas are going to be a focal point for hail, high winds, and tornadoes starting Monday, and we're going to go into Tuesday, and it's going to move a little further to the east. And what we're going to see is it'd be over here in Arkansas and parts of Missouri. This little wave of energy can move over towards the Carolinas and towards the end of the week. Not looking as favorable as it was last week when it comes to severe weather. Last week's severe weather, we had pretty organized thought pretty early in the system. So we'll keep an eye on it here at Storm Surge LLC and keep you updated. That's for your next 2 days of severe weather. Places north of Oklahoma City and south of Topeka, and then parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, near Memphis, at Little Rock, are areas you need to keep an eye on for the day on Tuesday. Forecast map, you see we get the snow moving down here. On the cold front, this is where you're going to get that severe weather right near the low. That could generate tornadoes, so that's what you have to watch out here. We got a northeast flow, northeast fetch coming in here on the east, but even cooler, especially up against the mountains. It's cold air damming, and that does happen sometimes. As you see, we're going to have severe weather next to freezing rain here coming up here tomorrow. And then we move it to the east a little further. You see what happens near the low. So like I said, tornadoes aren't out of the picture here as you get a low pressure moving up the coast in the east and high pressure coming into the west, which will make it pretty nice. Continue throughout the week, the low moves up here into Canada. Strong cold front moves east. Just like I said, maybe a focal point for some scattered severe thunderstorms here. It moves east with the high pressure in place, brings that low level jet in pretty hard. The storm will move up the east coast, and we shouldn't have any more problems there. We'll get out of the northeast fetch, which is going to be good. People will warm up the atmosphere a little bit and make it nicer. And we'll take a look next day. We're going to see front move up coast, but a secondary low develop here in North Carolina, which may keep rain around Virginia and North Carolina for part of the week. Next system dropping down out of the Pacific Northwest. That'll be by the end of the week into the Midwest, and probably our next threat of severe weather in the heartland and the plains coming along. As we have that set up with the dry line, the front finally moves off, high pressure builds in on the east, a little bit warmer, but like I said, this will generate the dry line and the warm front there, which looks to create severe weather by the weekend in the Midwest again. But this is severe weather season, so you can't really be mad about it. And like I said, we will continue that through the weekend. Here, why we did that, we show you the countrywide radar. You see here in Minnesota down through Nebraska, that's our station here in the Pacific Northwest, and down here in the state of Florida. Everywhere else is dry. Tonight's going to be chilly. Tomorrow, I mean the 60s. Mostly sunny skies. Straight to Tuesday, 66 Tuesday. Then we get to Wednesday, and what did I tell you about the thunderstorm probability with the possibility of some damaging winds? There you go. Wednesday into Wednesday night. Thursday, we've got 40% chance of showers as it clears out for the weekend, and we're looking at a chance of showers in the second half of the weekend when that little coastal situation occurs. So go over here to liveweatherblogs.com and look for your blogs. This is where you're going to look for your blogs. Everybody knows this from visiting our page, but I want to point some stuff out to you. If you want to go to Rachel Weather Rush, please click here, which is your Weather Rush area. And there's also another spot here on the right-hand side. When I get down there, it slowly goes down. I'll show you where that's located, so you can go ahead, go on there, and click and get the Weather Rush. I've just updated these. We're updating these daily now. You should get your traffic, your weather, all your blogs for your area, all in one spot. I mean, not where are you going to find that in a location? Not many places. So that's why I want people on the site to realize where this is at, so we can go in and show you. Here it is. You have a local radar. Click on the weather rush. That'll take you to the next page. What you want to. We will be adding more cities, but we have 6 cities right now: Philadelphia, including South Jersey, Lehigh Valley, Allentown, the Poconos, Wilmington, parts of Delaware and Maryland, Lynchburg and Roanoke, which I specifically take care of. I take care of most of these now. New York City, Northern New Jersey, Connecticut, Long Island, and Chicagoland. These are the ones you're going to go into. When you click on one of these, and I'll show you 2 of them, I'll show you different things. One is here. I clicked on the Lynchburg area in Roanoke. This is the area I take care of specifically for live weather blogs. We're going there. You can see we have an area onto the right here. Now I'll add something every night or weekend night. Depends on and it'll be written right there. So Roanoke Weather Rush do that. We'll move down further. In this mainly you see you have interactive radar, interactive traffic, and then you have specific blogs for the location. So that's what we worked on. You go to Lehigh Valley. There you go. Rob does this for Lehigh Valley. We do all specific areas. We'll all fill in once in a while, and you'll see our names on there. I do it manually, but you can see Rob on there, Mike Spina. We do come in here and we do work all together to make this work. So please come in and look at Weather Rush. We really want you to do it. It's a quick and easy way to get weather forecasts and traffic, your latest blogs, all in one spot. I'd like to thank you this evening for watching this audio version of Live Weather Blogs. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Dean D. Davidson, Storm Surge LLC, lead forecaster.